So I'll be talking briefly about the zipline construction process and what that looks like for our clients. The first step for Skyline is to come in on a site discovery agenda, and that's for us to really get a good understanding of the site, the lay of the land, and what's actually possible at that location. And so part of that package is we provide our clients with a cash flow, a proposal, as well as some renditions of what we're discussing, as well as a day of consulting that goes through everything that we could do and everything that we're planning on doing. So with that said, that's kind of the site discovery agenda in a little package. After that, if we decide, okay, yeah, we're going to go ahead with what we discussed and what we've shared, the next step for us would be to begin on the engineering standpoint once we finalize contract discussions and everything. So the engineering is when our internal team does all the drafting of everything that we discussed, ensures that it aligns with you as the client. Once we've done that and have the stamp of approval from you as the client, then we would go to our third party, the local signing authority, that would essentially stamp those drawings, and then we'd be off to the races with regards to fabrication and everything like that. So the engineering process takes around 2 to 3 months depending on the size of these builds. The next thing is obviously the manufacturing. That's when we send it out to tender and have our suppliers begin the process of manufacturing. Given this is all custom work and based off of the engineered drawings, usually manufacturing can take anywhere from 6 to 8 months depending on the size. Once we've got all of the products landed on site ready to build, we come out and begin the construction process. Usually on site we only need to be there for around 2 to 3 months, depending obviously on the size of the build and everything like that. Sometimes it can be closer to a month. But with that said, that's kind of the time span that we're looking at. So all said and done, usually from start to finish, we're looking at around 10 to 13 months, depending on the scope of the project. And then once we've finished the construction side of things, we stay on site and help with the operations and training, ensuring that the clients are set with the inspection manuals, maintenance procedures, anything you'd expect to see to ensure you're operating your zipline properly and safely. Help with that, and so we provide a turnkey project. Yeah, so that's kind of the zipline in all its stages. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out at info@skylineziplines.ca or let us know in the comments if we missed anything that you would like to hear about or some clarification on. Thanks.